Hello there and welcome back. In this video, as I promised, we are going to take a look at how you can set up MySQL to be used by your Masonite application. So what you need to do is basically either install MySQL on a Windows system or a Linux system. And I have a virtual machine which is CentOS box, and what I'm going to do now is to log in to this machine. And after login, what I would like to do is to get a sudo prompt and yum install the wget command. And after the wget was installed, I need to add the repository for MySQL to be used by my application or my CentOS machine. And after it was added, this command is going to come with the GitHub repository that I'm creating for this. So basically we can install it, and now yum install MySQL server -y. After the installation has completed, we need to start the MySQL server and enable it. So after a restart, it will automatically start. So now, once this is done, let's wait for it. We can enable the service and start it. Value error. Log. Oh, that's okay. So systemctl enable mysqld and start mysqld. After the start has completed, what we need to do is to issue the MySQL secure installation. So basically, we don't want to set up validate password. This will be the root. And we would like to remove the anonymous access. Don't want to disallow the remote login for root. And we would like to remove the test database and reload the privileges. Now, this is all done. Now we can use the root user with password authentication to log into the MySQL console. And let's create the table Masonite. What? Show table. Okay. And what we have to do is to basically hold on for a second. So now we need to open up a new prompt. Go to the Masonite, activate the Masonite virtual environment and create a directory called 3, issue the craft new, and after it was done, what we have to do is to go ahead and install the PyMySQL module. And this PyMySQL is used by Masonite to communicate to the MySQL server. And we will have a .n file. So this one inside the folder 3, and we will have the MySQL, and we will use the CentOS machine, and the database is the Masonite, and the username is root, and the password is root. That's for now. And we need to create the user root at the machine identified by root. Come on. So create user root at %sign identified by root and grant all privileges on star.star to root at the machine with grant option flush privileges. And what we would like to do now is to go ahead and issue the craft out and craft migrate. And exit systemctl stop firewall d. So cannot connect. Now we were able to connect, but there is no such database as Masonite. So now what we need to do is to create a database. MySQL-u root-p and after this one create database Masonite. And now this has succeeded, and what we would also like to do is to go ahead, and I have already downloaded the Mysql Workbench and we are going to install it. So you can download basically the community edition. It's a pretty straightforward installation, and once the installation completes we will be able to use this tool. Go ahead. So create database Masonite. Alright. We can use it to log in. So you click on the plus sign. Let's call this CentOS. The host name is CentOS. You can use IP. Test the connection. Root. Okay. Now let's go ahead and connect. Oh, we have already connected. And let's see the server status. It seems to be fine. And where is it? Dashboard. Users and privileges, client connection, show tables. All right, here we are. We have the users, and now we are using the MySQL instance to use this one. And technically that was all I wanted to show you. See you in the next video.